Pink eye or conjunctivitis is an inflammation or infection of the conjunctiva, the transparent membrane that lines the eyelid and covers the white part of the eyeball. There are several causes for pink eye, including viral or bacterial infections, allergens, and irritants. There are several causes for pink eye, including viral or bacterial infections, allergens, and irritants. Viral conjunctivitis, the most common cause, often associated with the common cold. It is highly contagious and usually clears up on its own. Bacterial conjunctivitis, caused by bacteria and can result in a more severe infection. It often requires antibiotic treatment. Allergic conjunctivitis, triggered by allergens like pollen, dust, or pet dander. It's often associated with other allergic symptoms like sneezing and a runny nose. Irritant conjunctivitis, caused by exposure to irritants such as smoke, chlorine, or foreign objects. Symptoms: redness or pink color in the white of the eye or eyes, itching or burning sensation, tearing or discharge, swollen eyelids, sensitivity to light, and a gritty feeling in the eye. So why does itching occur? The itching associated with pink eye, especially in allergic conjunctivitis, can be attributed to the body's immune response. Immune response. When the body detects an allergen or pathogen, it mounts an immune response. White blood cells, such as eosinophils and mast cells, are activated to fight off the invaders. In allergic conjunctivitis, mast cells release histamine and other chemicals. Histamine causes blood vessels in the conjunctiva to swell and become leaky, leading to redness and swelling. Histamine also stimulates nerve endings in the conjunctiva, causing an itching sensation. This itching prompts the person to rub their eyes, which can exacerbate the symptoms by spreading the allergens or pathogens further. In irritant conjunctivitis, the presence of irritants can directly stimulate the nerve endings in the conjunctiva, leading to itching and discomfort. In viral and bacterial conjunctivitis, the infection itself can cause inflammation and irritation of the conjunctiva, leading to itching and other symptoms. Pink eye is a common condition caused by infections, allergens, or irritants. The itching associated with pink eye, particularly in allergic conjunctivitis, is due to the immune response and the release of histamine, which stimulates nerve endings in the conjunctiva. Proper diagnosis and treatment depend on the underlying cause of the conjunctivitis.